Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Benidorm Mad Mike here. Today we've got
a good to go.
Good to go bag.
Too good to go.
Too good to go.
Too
yeah.
good to go bag, yeah. Like a breakfast bag. So let's see what we got, guys. Okay guys, so what did we get in the bag?
A lot of stuff, guys.
Marcus is going to do the unbagging. I'm going to put it all on plates and show you what we got. Go on Marcus, there you go.
First at the bag, nice orange Nasper banner maybe.
I think an orange.
Next up, fresh apple.
Yeah, not too exciting yet guys. What else we got, Marcus?
We've got a pan de chocolate, I think that is, maybe. Another pan de chocolate.
Sorry about that guys. Camera's having a bit of a flip out this morning. Some bread.
Some bread.
Croissant. Another croissant.
Another bit of baguette.
Bread roll thing, yep.
Another breakfast roll type thing. And another breakfast roll type thing. Now we're getting to the hot food.
Just pull that out and show it on the table, Marcus. How much was this, Sue, overall?
$3.99.
$3.99 this. Not really impressed so far.
Here's the main box, guys. We've got some Cheerios.
So you got basically breakfast in there.
White bread, mushrooms, bacon,
Sausage.
1 sausage, and 2 eggs.
Don't forget this was only €3.99, so it is a breakfast just for one person. So there is quite a bit, there's a few eggs there.
Yeah, there's eggs in there.
I mean, yeah, for one person, probably worth it. There is 3 of us though, so how we're going to split it, I'm not too sure yet.
We'll soon sort that out, Marcus. Okay then, Sue, what are you going to do?
I don't like the Cheerios.
So if we had a...
Go and get some spoons, Marcus.
Some forks or something, have a look in the drawer.
Let's have a look what he's out there.
I mean, for one person, yeah, it's probably alright.
One person, okay.
These...
We want to try it just to see how big it was, basically, guys.
This would go for about €12
No chance.
each.
No chance.
But that would probably be like a buffet breakfast, so you probably would.
There's no way on earth that's going to be €12. But this is what we're going to find out, guys. Yeah.
A lot of places are doing this. Bakeries, supermarkets. And I maybe might try the supermarket bag later.
If everything was top notch and there was a bit more of it, yeah. That's probably, for me, $1.99 breakfast. in the box there, and you've got the other bits then.
Her friend was telling us she had one from a bakery, and did get a lot of cakes and muffins and so on. It's a bit hard to say because I can't see with a breakfast like this how this would be thrown out, but maybe what's left after breakfast.
I mean, you've got a fair bit of bacon there, I suppose, but yeah. Maybe the mate and bacon is probably a little bit more than $1.99. Perhaps I was being a little bit tight there, but yeah. A bit more.
Yeah, I mean, I would like to try some of the other bags. As I said, maybe supermarket bag. I do think maybe Saturday I might try a supermarket bag as well, from somewhere that I know is going to be shut on the Sunday, because maybe then you get a bit more.
I might try this croissant, guys.
Get in there, Marcus. Get in there.
The chocolate
crunch. I suppose with all the other bits, it'd make it up though for.
Do you want a bit of
the
fried
price.
bread? No.
Not bad, that.
Yeah, you like that, Marcus? There you go, Marcus likes it.
Nice and fresh.
Saying that, we have got a plate for each, I suppose.
Bearing in mind that it's for one person and we have got a breakfast each, so you can't really complain. And the bit of fruit was a nice little touch.
Can't see they'd be selling this for €12 though. That may just me being tight, guys. One of their croissant bread.
No thanks.
I think that the €12 maybe is a guideline.
Yeah, I think they'll be lucky to get €12 for that.
I mean, I think maybe if we'd have ordered more than one, there might have been more stuff. Possibly not, but I mean, $3.99, I don't think that's a bad price for what we've had.
I didn't expect
Yeah, I
it to
don't
be
think
anything
the $3.99 is too bad, but
I mean,
can't see as you get. I don't know.
The app is called Too Good To Go, guys. Just
Too Good To
download
Go.
it on your
Yep.
phone. I think it works in Spain, the UK, supermarkets, restaurants, cafes, bakeries.
And apparently there's loads of the hotels doing it.
Yeah.
And supermarkets.
It does only seem to be Magic Crystal that's on there today, though they have got a lunch one as well.
Lunch one's $4.99.
Yeah, $4.99.
I think so.
Yeah.
I think it's just a case of like trying to find the sort of best offer that suits you at that moment. And I mean, some you may get them and there'll be tons of stuff, but some there may not really be that much stuff. I think it just comes down to what's left at the end of the day, sort of thing.
I don't believe that because you've got to order it the night before. So,
unfortunately, the box coming could have been better because it hasn't really kept it too hot.
okay, guys, we're going to get in and eat it anyway, and we'll let you know what we think afterwards. See you in a minute. Yeah, okay, guys. Yeah, the box, it's just fed 3 of us, believe it or not. Could have done with a little bit more. I think next time we'd have 2. But yeah, value for money on what we actually paid for it, $3.99, was pretty good, I would have thought. There was a lot of bacon on there, Spanish bacon, which we don't mind, and 1 sausage. It is supposed to be for 1 though, so I've got to take that into consideration. Croissants.
It was 3 eggs.
Plenty of bread, yeah, and 3 eggs, mushrooms. I think we should have put it in the microwave before we ate it, but yeah. Anyway, let's see what the rest of the family think of it. So what do you think, Marcus?
Yeah, but good value for money, to be honest. It is worth a try.
Do you think we ought to get 2 next time?
Yeah, probably the mistake we made there not getting 2. But still, it was nice. I enjoyed it. Over to Sue.
Yeah, I think it's worth the money. It was something different as well. It's a nice surprise to see what you're going to get. I think we needed to microwave the hot stuff though, because by the time you get back it is going a bit cold. But yeah.
So, okay guys, if you come over in an apartment or something, try it. Then the app is, Marcus?
Too good to go.
Too good to go. And we got our breakfast about 11:30. So yeah, bit late for breakfast, but it's supposed to be what's left over for breakfast at the hotel. Yeah. So yeah, I think there was enough there for the money. So give it a try if you're over here in an apartment. Get the app and have a look and see what you think. Okay guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget we've got Buy Me a Coffee. That might be Buy Me a Box before much longer. Change it a bit. And we'll see you on the next one. Bye.